I just think these little seed pouches are so cute. I use these for seeds that I collect from my garden every year, and I just love them so much. They are cute because they have this design on the front, and of course from the garden of, I don't really fill that part out, but I'll put the seed name here and the date that I picked the seed. I usually just put the year since I use them year to year. And then once I have put my seeds on the inside there, I just go ahead and close it up, and you can use the long string here and just put it around like that, and then go back around like this, and you're all set to go. Now this you could do the same thing with if you wanted to, but I usually just leave it. No big deal. So if you're in the market for some seed pockets to collect your seeds and keep them stored away from season to season, these are a really good option, and I don't think you'll be disappointed.